Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Kawasaki Ninja 250. This bike is in perfect shape. It's not been down. Only 4,746 miles. And we're selling it for just $29.99. We're going to run it through the shop, give it a full safety check over, change the fluids. This bike is ready to go. Turnkey. It's a nice solid black color. We have financing available, extended service contract, and insurance. Come on by, check it out. Only $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports on this 2008 Ninja 250.